This is a K car that was imported from Japan to the States. So this car has a 660cc engine. It's actually mated to a 5-speed transmission. More importantly, this thing has 4 freaking wheel drive. Anyways, this is actually a mid-engine car. The engine cover panel is right here. Also, for how tiny the car is, it's actually pretty usable. So it's a 93 MR2. It has an M90 blower, a Honda V6, so it's a J32A2, and then I have a 6-speed limited slip differential transmission. And the interior here is partially stripped out. I pretty much just use this car to have fun. There's not really any other purpose besides that. Well, here is my 93 MR2. I've had this thing for the better part of 6+ years now, and it's actually relatively stock besides the wheels. The interior, everything stock, all original gauges. Of course, it's blue because that's just how things were in the 90s, right? Come over to the engine. When I said stock, I meant super stock. It even has the stock airbox. It's the 5S, which is honestly a really slow thing. It's the same engine that came into the Camrys. So this is pretty much a backwards Camry. And over here we have a way cooler car. So this is actually my brother's car. It's a 95 Nissan Skyline R33. It's a base model car, but what's really cool about it is, first of all, it has bigger brakes from a turbo car. But the even cooler part is that before my brother bought this thing, someone has swapped a RB25 DET, so it's a turbo car now, or has a turbo engine, which is super cool. One of the nicest things about this car is the fact that the interior is so clean for, you know, being as old as it is. Like, not even the dash is lifting, which is absolutely insane to me. Now, the unfortunate part about this car is I did blow the head gasket on it. My brother already has parts on the way, so it will be fixed soon, but that does mean we do not have any sound clips.
counter steer.
Sounds so good.
Got it. You whip.